Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome to you all. Here we are solving questions PYQs from CMI exam. So earlier also we have solved 7 questions. I hope आपको समझ आए होंगे. Now proceeding further. This is let O origin 000, then P point. These are the coordinates given for point P. Then Q be points in three-dimensional space where Q is unknown point. Okay, consider vector U is OP, the vector given by this, and unknown vector V is OQ. Okay, for each of the sets below, choose the correct option describing. Okay, these are the options given to us. We have to choose out of them. So our first question is that u dot v means dot product of u dot v is our 20 2024. So clearly our dot product is cos of theta. Now this is showing that a plane perpendicular to u. ठीक है, u, this is a plane is perpendicular to u, of course. Now second option is, wait, this one है ना, seventh one. Now ninth question is u dot v is minus 2024 v dot v. Okay, so we can write u dot v is u dot u v dot v cos of theta, and where your theta is angle between u and v. ठीक है, means between 0 degree and 180 degree. ठीक है, so the given condition for non-zero v is cos theta. ठीक है, which is minus 2024 over u dot u, and that is a constant between minus 1 and 0. ठीक है, and we know that our u dot u is greater than 2024. So the given set consists of endpoints of all vectors that is making a fixed obtuse angle. ठीक है, so your endpoints of a vector, they are making a fixed obtuse angle with u along with the origin. So it means this is a infinite cone. Ninth question is showing that it is infinite cone. Okay, now next is that u dot v is 2024 u dot u. Okay, so this is the set of points satisfying 9. We have this 19x plus 5y plus 2024 is 2024 x square plus y square plus z square. So our right hand side and left hand side. ठीक है, so when we'll completing this 3 squares, ठीक है, we have to do squaring of them 3 times. squaring 3 times. So we get the equation of sphere passing through the origin. Okay, what will get the equation of a sphere. Okay, vectors questions, if you'll see, there are more of very conceptual questions. You have to make concept out of them, then only you will be able to solve it. Okay, next question is that an integer d is called a factor of an integer n if there is an integer q such that n equals to dq. In particular, the set of factors of n contains n and contains 1. Okay, these factors are given to us. An integer d is called a factor of an integer. Write the number of even positive integers that are factor of this. So we can write like 2024 and its square. So its factors are prime factorization is 2 raised to power 6, 11 raised to power 2 and 23 raised to power 2. So whenever we have to count the total number of integers, so how we'll do? It is tau n. Okay, what we do, the powers. Okay, these powers. So 6 plus 1 multiply 2 plus 1 and then 2 plus 1. So it is 7, 3 and 3. Whenever there is a question that you have to find the total number of divisors. Okay, so what you will do? You will do tau n. So this is 63. Now we have to find even positive power. So even positive, for even positive power, even positive factors, what will take? Will take 2 raised to power 6 itself. So 6 into 3 into 3. Okay, so why 6? Because it is already positive power of 2 is positive power, and this power even factor है ना, and this cannot be 0 of course, ये 0 नहीं हो सकता. So it is 54. So write the number of positive integers. So it is 54. Next is write the number of ordered pairs a b of positive integers such that a square minus b square is 2024 square. If there are infinitely many such pairs, okay, write the number of ordered pair of positive integers such that so what how we can write? We have to write 2024 equals to a minus b and a plus b. So it is square. Okay. Now this is a factorization with unequal factors of the same parity and it should be even. Okay. This is a factorization of uneven factors, uneven or unequal forces of the same parity which must be even. Now conversely it is given that factorization of dq of this into even unequal parameters. Okay, if we'll say that 2024 its factorization into unequal factorization. So we get a unequal factors. So we get unique solution for AB by solving A plus B. Unequal factors are there. So A plus B, ठीक है, because A and B, what are their unique solutions? Unique solutions. Unique solutions for A and A B, ठीक है. Now larger factor, if we'll say that A plus B will be a larger factor and A minus B will be a smaller factor. So number of factors D such that both D and one factor is D and 2024 over D are even. Okay. So what it will be? If they are even, so it is given 5 3 cross 3. This is 45. Why it is 5? Because power of 2 in D cannot be 0 or 6. ठीक है. So of these equal factor case, D, we have taken D equals to Q is 2024, which so we can ignore this factor. So there are total 45 minus 1. So there will be a 44 factors. And when this 44 will be divided by 2, so 22 such pairs, because we have to find ordered pairs. So 22 such pairs will be there. What we have did, we have tried to solve a square minus b square equals to 2024 whole square. Okay, then we have tried to find the even factors. So even factors is by eliminating this 0 or 6 from the power of 2, so we will getting it 45. Then my also subtracting one of the factor, that is 2024 itself, we have 44 pairs and 44 factors, and into the pairs there can be 22 into 22. Next question is, a good path is a sequence of points in the xy plane such that in each step exactly one of coordinate increases by 1 and the other stays the same. Example 0 0 1 0 2 0 2. Okay, is good path from origin to 3 3. It is the fact that there are exactly 9 to 4 good paths from the origin to 6 6. Okay, the good path. Now 13 question is, find the number of good paths from 0 0 to 6 6 that pass through both the points 1 4 2 3. Now see that there is a good path is a sequence of points, okay, when they are increasing by 1 and the other stays the 1, when they are increasing by 1. Okay, so if we'll see we have the here this is 4 and this is 3, means it has to decrease, but good path is that it has to be always increasing, so certainly it will be 0. Okay, because good path is increasing, but there is a point where you have to decrease, that's why it is always increasing. Now find the number of good paths that pass through the point 1 2 and 3 4. So for 14th we'll be doing okay, so we'll have 2 plus 1 C1, then multiply 3 plus 4 minus 1 plus 2 C3 minus 1 then 6 plus 6 minus 3 plus 4 C 6 minus 3. So it is 3C1, 4C2 and 5C3. Solving 180. ठीक है. What I have done, I have just used all the points which is given to us. So 14 is our 180. ठीक है. Now find the number of good paths from 0 0 to 6 6 such that neither of the 2 points 1 2 3 4 occur on the path. The path must miss both of the points. Okay. So missing paths should be there. ठीक है. Okay. Now we have here, we have to use in this basic set theory. ठीक है. So number of paths through 1 2 is 3C1 or 9C5. So this is 3 cross 126, 378. Okay, then number of paths through 3 4 is 7C3, 5C3. So it is 35 10 350. Number of paths through 1 2 or 3 4 is now 350 plus 378. So it is 548. So number of paths missing, we have to miss these points. Missing both points, it is 924 minus 548, 376. So 376 is the answer. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much. आपको समझ आया होगा. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.